The world belongs to the doers, to the makers, to those who don't just think about problems, but get to work on solutions, to those who are willing to dig in and get their hands dirty. The Auto Diesel Institute of Michigan is a school of practical problem solvers focused on the tactical needs of the auto repair industry of today and tomorrow. With all the changes that lie ahead with vehicle autonomy, diagnostics, hybrid vehicles, and more, the hands-on skills you'll gain at ADI will prepare you to advance along with the ever-evolving ways in which vehicles are serviced. ADI's 43,000 square foot facility, located in Owasso, Michigan, was designed with the help of top auto repair professionals to mimic real-world working conditions with modern technology and repair techniques used in the field. With certificate and associate degree programs such as automotive service technology, diesel service technology, and welding, ADI offers a wealth of knowledge, experience, and mentorship from master technicians ready to train you extensively for a valuable career in the auto diesel industry. ADI students have access to attractive amenities such as on-campus housing, a full library and bookstore, fitness center, academic and career advisors, and more. And a variety of scholarships and financial aid options are also available to help power you on the road to success. We are dedicated to providing our students with a cost-effective, practical, and enriching education at ADI because our world runs on transportation, and our students will be counted on to keep society on the road. If you're ready for a meaningful career in a hands-on industry with an education you can't get anywhere else, then let's get to work at the Auto Diesel Institute of Michigan.